Good morning everyone. Today we will see a problem based on circles. Here we have, if PQ is 28 centimeter, find the perimeter of triangle PLM in this diagram. As you can see, PQ here is drawn from an external point of the circle. This is P here. PQ's length is given to be 28. You can see it is a tangent to a circle. The definition of tangent is, it is a line which has a point of contact, one point of contact to the circle. So Q is the point of contact. So we can consider PQ as the tangent. Another tangent is PT here. That is a point of contact T. Using this information, we are supposed to find the perimeter of the triangle PLM, which is formed in between the tangents and the circle, with L and M being distinct points taken on PQ and PT. Okay, if you join PLM, you get a triangle, and we can also mark a point of contact for the circle N with LM. So with these information, we are going to proceed to solve the problem. So before proceeding, you need to understand the meaning of perimeter and what is the theorem you are going to use for solving it. So let us write it by the side of the board. First thing is perimeter. Perimeter is nothing but the measure of boundary for any geometrical shape. Measure of boundary means it is just an outline's length. So here it's a triangle. Obviously there are three sides for the triangle. So the perimeter of the triangle is going to be sum of three sides. And the next one is the theorem which we are going to use is tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal in length. So this theorem is going to help us to solve the problem. So how do we use this theorem? First of all, we can see PQ and PT are the two tangents drawn from the external point P to the circle. So obviously PQ's length and PT's length will be equal. So let us write that PQ is equal to PT is equal to 28 centimeter. So next is the perimeter. What we are going to find? We will write it, perimeter of triangle PLM is the sum of three sides, which is PL plus LM plus PM. Now we don't know the actual length of PL or LM or PM. We have only one length, 28. So using this, we are going to find out the remaining lengths. So how are we going to do that? PL is a part of PQ. PQ is this length. PL, you can see a part. It is the segment in the line segment itself. So we can use this length of 28 subtracted by another length LQ. That is, this total length minus this length will give you this length. So we can write this as PQ minus LQ plus LM's length is nothing but Ln plus Mn. You will understand why we are splitting this and writing in the next part of the problem. Ln plus Mn. Then PM. PM is again the same way we can represent. How we represented PL, the same way we can represent PM. It is a part of this total line segment PT. So it is PT minus MT. From this total, if you remove this, you will get this. So it is PT minus MT. So we are going to apply the values of PQ here, which is nothing but 28 centimeter as it is given in the text problem. 28 centimeter minus, we don't know LQ, but we can use a tangents theorem here. That is, the lengths of the tangent drawn from an external point or circle are equal. Now this external point is nothing but L. If you can see, L is also an external point with reference to the two tangents Ln and LQ. So they are equal in length. So we can replace LQ by Ln. So I am writing in place of LQ Ln. Keep this Ln as it is. We are not going to change it because they both get cancelled, which make our solution to be easy. Then comes Mn. Mn also can be retaken as it is, because Mn's length and Mt's lengths are equal, as M is the external point through which two tangents are drawn to the circle. So I can say Mn as it is, replaced by Mt can be replaced by Mn, with Pt's length can be taken as 28, which is already there, minus Mn here. As I told, Mn length and Mt lengths are equal. Now this minus Ln plus Mn minus Mn gets cancelled. So what is left out? Only the numericals. 28 centimeter plus 28 centimeter, which is going to be 56 centimeter. So the perimeter of the triangle PLM is 56 centimeter.